Hello students, how are you all doing? Stay home, stay safe. So in the previous session we have discussed about the ascending and the descending order. Is it not? Hope you all understood. So in this session we are going to discuss about what is successor and what is predecessor. Okay, what is successor? Successor is nothing but the after value. Okay, successor is nothing but the after value. What is after value? See, this is the number given. Okay, I am talking about what is a successor. So this is the number given and the successor is the after number. That is, how to find out the number after this? I have to add 1 to the units place. Okay, I have to add 1 to the units place. That is, when I add 1 to unit place, what happened? When I add 1 to 6, it becomes 7. That is 35 lakhs 46,877. So that is what is successor? The after value. That is the after number. Okay. After 35 lakhs 46,876, the next value will be 35 lakhs 46,877. Okay, can you all understand what is successor? The after value. How to find out the after value? I have to add 1 to the units digit or the ones digit. Okay, I have to add 1 to the ones digit. The first digit, that is the ones digit, I have to add 1. Okay, see, look at this example. 23 lakh 451. So when I add 1 to the unit place, what happens? 23 lakhs 452. Okay, the successor is nothing but the after value which we get by adding 1 to the ones digit. Okay, the first digit which is called the ones digit, I have to add 1 to that value. See here. Here what happens when I add 1 to the ones digit? What is 1 plus 9? 10. So I write 0 and carry 1 to the next number. So what is 1 plus 7? 8. Is it not? Remaining it will come as it is. Is it not? So what happens? 19 lakhs 45,280. Is this clear? So 1 more than, that is, what is 1 more than? Add 1 to the digit in the ones place, that is 1 more than. So that is called the successor. What is predecessor? Is the before value. So what is before 876? Just consider this. You forget all these. Just 876. What is the value 1 before 876? You all know it is 875. How to get this? Yes, you are going to subtract 1. So for after number, I add 1. For the before, 1 less than means I have to subtract. Always less, it stands for the subtraction, and more, it stands for addition. Okay. So 1 less than, you have to subtract 1 from the unit digit. What is 6 minus 1? 5. So I get 5 here. Okay. See, when I subtract from 451, see, this is the number here. When I subtract 1, I subtract 1, I get 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 and 4. So remaining all I get it same, 23 lakh and 450. Okay. So what is successor? It is, successor is 1 more than the given number and predecessor is 1 less than the given number. Okay. See here, what is 1 less than 279? You subtract 1 from 9. What happens? It becomes 8. So 19 lakh 45,278. Okay. So this is the successor and the predecessor. Successor is after number. Successor is the after number. Predecessor is the before number. Okay. Successor is after number, add 1. Predecessor is before number, you subtract 1. Okay. See, exercise is given. Fill in the table with the predecessor and the successor. What is predecessor? We are going to subtract. I am going to subtract 1. Okay, predecessor I am going to subtract 1. For the successor I am going to add 1. So, 345 before, that is subtract 1 from this 5, it becomes 344. Here when I add 1, 5 plus 1 it is 6. So, 346. Okay. So, all these will be very easy. So, you can try this as homework also. See here, let me try this. 17,400. When I subtract 1, what happens? You all know subtraction very well. So, here 0 is there. So, borrow it from 4, I get 3. Is it not? From 4 I am going to borrow, I get 3. This becomes 10. From 10, I borrow a number. So, it becomes, see here, 17,400. When I subtract 1, see here I have 0. From 0 can I subtract 1? It is not possible. So, I borrow from this number, 4 becomes 3 and I give 1 to this number. Is it not? From it becomes 10 now, and this 10, from this 10 I am going to borrow, it becomes 9 and here I will get 10. What is 10 minus 1? It is 9 and the remaining number I will get. So, what is the predecessor for this? 17,399. And what is the successor? You add 1 to 400, it becomes 401. So, 17,401. Okay. So, this is how we find the value for predecessor and the successor for the given number. For the predecessor, you are subtracting 1 to the given number, and for the successor, you add 1 to the given number. Where you are going to add 1? To the unit place or in the ones place, okay, the first digit. You have to add 1 for the successor and subtract 1 for the predecessor, okay. Hope you all understood. Go through the video. If any doubts, message me. Try to complete the homework, okay. Thank you.